Hi everyone! Today, join me as we draw and color Pusheen and its house. Pusheen has a cozy house and loves to relax. Pusheen decorates her house with fun and colorful things. How would you decorate your house? Pusheen's house has a comfy bed for naps. Do you like to take naps? Pusheen invites friends over to play at its house. Who would you invite to your house? Lovely! Let's add color to Pusheen and its house. Fantastic! Pusheen's house is so cute. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.